Hey guys, it's me, Sebastian, host of Ninth Island Connection, your weekly lifestyle resource for all things Vegas. Check out the description below so that you can see how you can watch our television show wherever you are. Also, if you haven't already, you're new to our channel, go ahead and subscribe. Give this video a like right now. I wish it was a love button. You're gonna love this one here. Hit us up on social. We're on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. We're everywhere. We're Ninth Island Connection. I'm pretty excited about this one. Since COVID times, we really haven't seen an upgrade like this. So I was able to book a one-night complimentary room on a Thursday here in Vegas, a Thursday in September. We're really just focusing on trying to get some pool days in because our spot, we don't have a pool. Summer's coming to an end. So we came down and the lady, very nice at registration here at Planet Hollywood, she was like, oh, you're here for one night. I've got a room that's already ready. I'll put you right in there. It's only $12.30. Didn't have to pay for anything to check in early or upgrades or anything like that. Wasn't sure what to expect, but this one is pretty sweet. Now, we have stayed in this room type before, but it was on a higher floor and it was flipped. So this one is a different layout with a different view. So we want to share it with you. That rhymed. So we're right here in the entry. So pretty standard. You walk in, you're in the entry area over here, but as you turn to the left, you've got a full living room. Let's check it out. You've got this big seating area over here. Now you've got a TV with some storage, have some cocktails over here. Pretty sweet. Now as you move further into the room, that's where you're gonna find your closet. You've got your safe in here. Just pretty basic, standard stuff you're gonna see in every room. You can see, pretty standard. Your safe, closet, that stuff. But then, now you have another, like, kind of an open seating space over here also. So you're gonna find another little table with some chairs. Here's your bar area with your complimentary refrigerator down underneath, plenty of space. So now, this is an upgrade to a suite. So with this one here, you're gonna get complimentary coffee over here, which is unusual for Caesars properties. So now you move into the bedroom area. So a couple nightstands. We always get one king. It's very rare that a one king is not available and we're in two queens. So you're pretty much gonna see us in one king because you get extra space in the room just because there's only one bed, right? This is pretty nice. So you've got a lot of space around the bed. Really like about rooms like this is that the bedroom space, you have your own television, you've got some storage here, and then in the living room area, you have another television. I really like that because I'm an early riser, my wife likes to sleep in, I get up, I like to have a cup of coffee, and I usually tiptoe around the room because I don't want to wake her up. But now I can just go over into the other side of the room, watch TV, have my coffee, don't have to worry about disturbing her. Pretty nice. Now, you see this massive curtain. Let's take a look at this view. So with this one here, we have a view, obviously, of the pool. Now, this one is awesome, and I just love this. This is only the second time that we've gotten this room type in probably 3 years. So let's go check out this bathroom. So first thing you're gonna notice when you walk into the bathroom is the walk-in shower. Now this is, it's just a walk-in shower, but it's bigger than the standard rooms. Now, right in the center of the bathroom is really the focal point of the entire bathroom, and that's gonna be the giant tub right in the center. Look at this thing. That's pretty awesome. We're definitely gonna take advantage of this. And then you've got the counters with the same view as the bedroom. You've got a pool view here, but look how big these counters are. That's gonna be pretty nice. And then around the corner, you've got the toilet. Now again, we're here at Planet Hollywood. This is room 1051. Awesome view. It is a suite. Check out the playlist that we have of all of our room tours. We've done something like 50 room tours up and down Las Vegas Boulevard. So check that out if you're looking for more rooms. All right guys, that's a wrap on this one. Thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't already, give us a like, subscribe to our channel. We appreciate you guys. All we do is bring you Vegas, and you watch this video because you love Vegas. So also check out the description below so that you can see how you can watch our television show wherever you are. One other thing, we go live every single Wednesday from somewhere in Vegas where we bring you an update on what's going on that upcoming weekend. So we go live Wednesday, we tell you what is up Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We're talking weather, news, sports, construction, traffic, rideshare, entertainment, new restaurant openings, everything happening while you're gonna be here so that you can have the best possible vacation. And then of course, we always wanna hear from you guys, so comment below. What are your thoughts? Have you stayed in this room before? What's your favorite room at Planet Hollywood or here in Vegas? Have you had crazy upgrades like this? It's just nuts. Share below so that we can see what you guys have been up to. Thanks for watching, guys. "24 hours a day, 7 days a week, in a city that never sleeps, Ninth Island Connection will take you there. You won't want to miss a beat as we give you a sneak peek inside the biggest, best, and most outrageous hotspots, both on and off the strip. Be sure to tune in to Ninth Island Connection with Sebastian Rodriguez every week. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on Ninth Island Connection."